When you file your taxes, the government allows you to reduce your taxable income. Here is how the standard deduction works. A deduction is essentially a portion of your income that is exempt from being taxed by the Internal Revenue Service. For the 2024 tax year, individual filers can reduce their taxable income by $14,600 automatically. This deduction simplifies your taxes because you do not need to track individual expenses or keep receipts to claim it. You choose between the standard deduction or itemizing. Most people find the standard route easier and more beneficial. By subtracting the standard deduction from your gross income, you lower the total amount the government uses to calculate your tax. The golden rule is to always pick whichever option results in a lower tax bill for your specific situation. Understanding your deductions is a key step in managing your taxes. Check with a tax pro for your specific needs.